This is KHOU with the special report regarding about flowers appearing in Houston, Texas area, according to the undisclosed organization. It is unknown what caused these flowers to appear. All residents should stay inside and do not touch these flowers, as this is not known if they are deadly. In the meantime, hang on. We just received the National Information Center statement on our media outlets. Please stand by as this alert may contain file for safety, and then regular programming will now resume.
A primary entry point system has issued a National Information Center statement for the following counties or areas: United States of America. On 1:08 p.m. on June 5, 2022, a mysterious phenomenon is taking place in Houston, Texas, and possibly the entire United States. It is unknown what caused these flowers to appear, but all residents should stay indoors at all time. Stay tuned for further information.
Show me loving. I need your loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, and enough. It's like being a doctor to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. If you keep it beside along my heart. Of me now, the way I do. Are you dreaming of me now, the way I
The civil authorities has issued a shelter-in-place warning for Riverside, CA, beginning at 4:02 p.m. and ending at 9:18 a.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the undisclosed organization. An unusual phenomenon is currently happening in the city of Riverside. Multiple reports of flowers blooming over Riverside and many numerous reports of people going on a relaxation with low decrease of violence. It is not known if this affects people that are indoors. All residents, no matter where you are in Riverside, are advised to stay indoors until further notice. Continue to broadcast media outlets for more information on this developing situation.
Hello there, my name is and I work at the Foundation. We've been noticing about the flowers that were blooming across the entire United States. Well, I hate to say this, all the flowers are actually appearing in all parts of the world. Every single continent has these flowers. These countries are experiencing flowers being bright, colorful, and beautiful. If anyone is hearing this, this may be our final moments on Earth. The only thing we must do is await for certain death. Please share this to everyone, including your family members and friends. We will spend our final days until all life on Earth has been ceased to exist. This includes my final message from the Foundation. Goodbye, everyone.
Just another boring life. No fun, no party, no friends, just me. Alone in this freaking room. Why is everything calm? What the?
This is the SCP Foundation speaking to you. SCP-001 is spreading rapidly across the world. Unfortunately, our attempts to contain this threat have failed. With the growth of flowers spanning almost the entire planet, this indicates that the end has come for us all. At this time, I urge that you spend time with your loved ones and tell them how much you love them. All other SCPs will now be out of the facility due to this event. Again, SCP-001 is spreading rapidly across the world. Our attempts to contain this threat have failed, and our extinction is imminent. Spend some time with your loved ones and tell them how much you love them. Thank you for being part of the SCP Foundation, and God bless you all.
Because my work here is done.
Damn, the outside is just beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
I feel like we should spend our final moments.
You're right. Let's step outside and enjoy our final moments.
Wow, it's so beautiful outside.
Yeah, it sure is.
You know, I think we should spend our final moments together.
We definitely have to.
We do.
This message is being transmitted at the request of United States government. All regular programming has been suspended at the request of White House. Please listen to these messages. It may be vital for your survival. The President of the United States will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by.
The following message, I give you authorization to transmit this message on all stations at the request of myself, the United States government, and the undisclosed organization. This is not a test. Repeating. This is not a test. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the representative of the Foundation, and we just got word that an unusual phenomenon is currently taking place on all countries of the world. Starting about a few minutes ago, multiple species of flowers were reported to bloom across the entire globe. These flowers spontaneously appear and bloom over 98% of the fertile land on Earth. These flowers were referred to bright, fervent, and beautiful. The weather is predicting to clear with a comfortable temperature. However, it has been confirmed that all life on Earth will cease to exist within 24 hours. All civil authorities and military personnel will be honored as discharged. You may do as you wish before all population will cease to exist. Use it well during your final moments on Earth. Spend time with your family, friends, loved ones, and tell them how much you love them. Step outside, frolic through the fields, feel the fresh air, and spend your final day as the world's gone beautiful. I sign up with y'all for the final time from a quote from Mac Miller. When you feel sad, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Everyone has those days when you doubt yourself and when you feel like everything you do sucks. But then there's those days when you feel like Superman. It's just the balance of the world. It's just right to feel better. May God bless you all. And may God bless the United States of America.
This concludes our message of the emergency alert system. We will now play the national anthem for one last time. May God be with you all.